DJI, a company renowned for its expertise in drones and gimbal technology, appears to be preparing to take a significant step into the mirrorless camera market. While no official confirmation has been made, increasing speculation and industry discussions hint at an upcoming mirrorless camera that could make waves in the competitive photography and videography space. With CP Plus 2025 set to take place from February 27th to March 2nd, many are wondering whether DJI will use this prestigious event to unveil its first mirrorless camera. The CP Plus show, held annually in Japan, is one of the most important events in the camera industry. It serves as a platform for manufacturers to showcase cutting-edge technology, and it wouldn't be surprising if DJI capitalized on this opportunity to make a major announcement. One thing we've confirmed is that DJI is going to announce the DJI RS4 Mini with the Roll With It event. Given that major brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon typically dominate the show, a potential DJI mirrorless camera reveal could mark a significant disruption in the space. The possibility of DJI entering the mirrorless market isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. The company has consistently demonstrated its ability to innovate in imaging technology. The Ronin 4D, for instance, has received widespread recognition for its cinematic capabilities, modular design, and stabilization technology. DJI has already proven its ability to create high-end imaging solutions. Developing a mirrorless camera would be a natural progression. One key factor that makes this potential launch compelling is DJI's ownership of Hasselblad. Acquiring the legendary camera manufacturer gave DJI access to Hasselblad's sensor technology, color science, and lens expertise. If DJI integrates Hasselblad's imaging capabilities into its mirrorless camera, it could produce a device that competes with the likes of Sony's Alpha series and Canon's EOS lineup. While specific details remain under wraps, analysts believe that DJI's mirrorless camera could bring several high-end features to the table. Some of the most anticipated specifications include high-resolution imaging, strong dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction, features that are crucial for professionals in both photography and filmmaking. One of the standout possibilities is the integration of advanced stabilization. Given DJI's dominance in drone and gimbal technology, the company could introduce a unique stabilization system within the camera body. This could set it apart from competitors by eliminating the need for external gimbals in certain shooting conditions. Rumors also suggest that DJI's camera could follow a modular design, similar to the Ronin 4D. A modular approach would allow users to customize their setup based on their shooting needs, whether for handheld vlogging, high-end cinematography, or studio photography. This flexibility could attract content creators who require adaptability in their workflow. Connectivity is another area where DJI could excel. The camera industry has long struggled with slow file transfers and outdated connectivity options. If DJI leverages its experience in wireless communication, gained through its drone ecosystem, it could introduce seamless cloud storage, fast wireless file transfers, and potentially even eSIM technology for real-time uploads. These advancements would be a game-changer for professionals who need to deliver content quickly. A crucial aspect of any mirrorless camera is lens compatibility. Speculation points to DJI adopting the L-mount system, which would allow the new camera to support a broad range of lenses from manufacturers like Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. This decision would provide users with flexibility and eliminate the need for proprietary lens systems, which can be a major barrier to entry for new camera brands. The influence of Hasselblad may also extend to lens development. DJI could introduce its own line of lenses, designed with Hasselblad's expertise, to complement the camera. If executed well, this could make DJI's mirrorless camera a compelling choice for professionals looking for premium optics without being tied to a single manufacturer. Pricing will play a crucial role in determining how successful DJI's mirrorless camera could be. If DJI follows its usual strategy, offering high-end technology at competitive pricing, It might aim for a price point lower than flagship models from Sony and Canon, while still delivering professional-grade features. A price range between $2,500 and $3,500 is speculated, positioning it as a mid to high-end option. DJI has a history of undercutting competitors without sacrificing quality. Its drones, for example, have consistently provided top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost of traditional aerial photography solutions. If DJI applies the same philosophy to its mirrorless camera, it could attract professionals and enthusiasts who want high-end performance without paying a premium for legacy brand names. With CP Plus 2025 fast approaching, many in the industry are watching closely to see if DJI will use the event to unveil its mirrorless camera. CP Plus has traditionally been a launchpad for major camera innovations, making it the perfect venue for DJI to introduce its new product. However, DJI has been known to launch its major products outside of traditional trade shows, preferring to host its own events for maximum control over the announcement. Even if DJI does not officially unveil the camera at CP Plus, the event could still serve as a strategic platform for leaks, teasers, or prototype demonstrations. Attendees might get a glimpse of DJI's vision for the future of mirrorless cameras, even if a full product launch doesn't occur. Despite the excitement, DJI faces several challenges in breaking into the mirrorless market. Competing with brands that have decades of experience will not be easy. Canon, Nikon, and Sony have strong user bases, well-established ecosystems, and deep industry trust. Convincing professionals to switch to a new system will require more than just impressive specs. It will demand reliability, lens availability, and long-term support. Another concern is whether DJI can balance innovation with affordability. The rumored features, such as internal storage, eSIM connectivity, and modular components, could drive up costs, making it difficult to keep the camera competitively priced. DJI must also ensure that it has the supply chain and manufacturing capacity to meet demand, especially if the product generates significant interest upon launch. The possibility of DJI entering the mirrorless camera space has generated considerable discussion, and CP Plus 2025 could be the stage where we finally see this project come to life. By leveraging its expertise in stabilization, imaging, and wireless technology, along with Hasselblad's legendary optics, DJI could introduce a mirrorless camera that challenges the status quo. If priced competitively and equipped with cutting-edge features, it could attract content creators, professionals, and enthusiasts looking for a fresh alternative to established brands. Undoubtedly watching. The next few months could shape the future of mirrorless cameras, and DJI might just be at the center of it all. Thanks for watching.